Hey senior superstars, today we are going to be adding two-digit numbers with regrouping. So regrouping is when you add the two numbers together from the same place value and you get a number that is a two-digit number. And you have to put one of the digits up top and do what's called carry the number. So we'll go through this slowly together, and then we will do this worksheet together, and you will try this one on your own. So the first step in adding with regrouping is to set up your addition problem. If you're given a word problem that says Emily has 26 pencils and Chris has 18 pencils, how many altogether? You're going to put your first number at the top in the two boxes. This box is for the number in the tens column, and this number is for the number in the ones place. And make sure that you write your second number as well. Chris has 18 pencils, so you're going to put the 1 here and the 8 here. The first step to adding two-digit numbers with regrouping is adding the ones column first. I know usually you read left to right, but when you're doing addition problems like this, you're going to start with the ones column. So here's our step 2. We're adding the 6 and the 8 from right here. And you get your answer of 14. Now, you cannot put the whole number 14 in the bottom here. You have to write it down in a different way. You have to write the 4 from the ones column, and then you're going to put your 1 at the top of your tens column. The next step is to add the other side. Add the numbers in the tens column. So we have 1 plus 2 plus 1 equals 4. And you have your answer. Your answer is 44. Let's try it on this practice worksheet together. Emily feeds 16 puppies. Chris feeds 26 puppies. How many altogether? Well, let's take a look. What's our first step? Look at your guide. The first step, set up your addition problem. Write the numbers in the boxes. Okay, so we're going to write our numbers. So we have 16 and 26. Okay, how many altogether? So what's the next step? The next step is to add what you have in the ones column on the right-hand side. So here's our ones column. We're going to add 6 plus 6. If you need to use manipulatives like little blocks to figure out what 6 plus 6 is, you can, or you can draw. So I have 6 dots and 6 dots. And if you counted all those dots, you added 6 and 6 together, you're going to get 12. So I'm just going to write it here so we know that we got 12 for 6 plus 6, okay? What's our next step? We have to write down the number. So we're going to write the number in the ones column down here. Okay, so the number in our ones column is 2. So we're going to write the 2 right down here. Now what are we supposed to do with that 1 in the 12? So we took care of that, but we need to put this 1 somewhere. It says we're going to write the number 1 in the box. You're going to put it up here in the tens column in that little box. Okay, so here's our 1. So now we need to add these 3 numbers together. 1 plus 1 plus 2. That is 4. 42 is our answer. Let's do another one. Emily feeds 27 kittens. Chris feeds 17 kittens. How many altogether? Well, remember the first step, just like in all of your addition word problems, is write the numbers in the appropriate boxes. So we have 27 kittens and 17 kittens. Alright, so the first step is to add the 2 numbers in your ones column. So 7 plus 7 is 14. If you need to use your number line to add 7 plus 7, you can do that. If you want to draw 7 dots and 7 dots and count them, you can do it that way. But I know in my head that 7 plus 7 is 14. So we're going to write the 4 down here from 14. We're working with this number, 14. We're going to write the 4 down here. And where are we putting that 1? Yeah, we're going to put it up here in this box. So now we have to add these 3 numbers together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer is 44. Okay. Let's look at these problems. I'll help you set up your problem, and I want you to add it. So we have Emily feeds 15 piglets. Chris feeds 18 piglets. How many altogether? So make sure that you write your numbers in the boxes, 15 and 18. And then you're going to add the numbers in the ones column together. You're going to put the number from the ones column here, and you're going to carry the 1 over here. And then you'll add all 3 of these numbers together. Let me know how it goes, and if you have any questions, don't forget to send me a picture of your work, and have a great day.